How to add location in Google Maps. Here is a step-by-step guide. First, open the Google Map app on your phone. Next, look for the plus icon at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap it. From the menu that appears, select Add Place. Here, start by typing in the name of the place. Then pick a category that matches the type of location you are adding. After that, move on to the address. You can either type the exact address manually or drag the pin on the map to the correct spot. If the place is inside another building, like a store inside a mall, you can mention that in the location within section. To make the listing even more helpful, you can add extra information like the business hours, phone numbers, and website link. This makes it easier for the people to find and trust the place you are adding. Additionally, you also have the option to upload the photos. Once you have filled out everything, give it a quick review and make sure it's all accurate. Then hit the submit button at the bottom right. After the submission, Google will review the details. If everything looks good, your place will go live on the map and be discovered by millions of users. That's it. This is how to add location in Google Maps.